Data-driven product decision-making, unlocking product success. Introduction. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on data-driven product decision-making. In today's competitive landscape, harnessing the power of data is essential for achieving better product outcomes. In this tutorial, we will explore methodologies for collecting and analyzing data, leveraging user feedback, conducting A/B testing, and using analytics to validate product hypotheses. By the end, you will have the knowledge and tools to make informed, data-driven decisions that drive product success. Section 1: The importance of data-driven decision-making. Discuss the significance of data-driven decision-making in product management. Explain how data-driven approaches can lead to better product outcomes, such as increased user satisfaction, higher conversion rates, and improved retention. Section 2: Collecting and analyzing data. Explain the process of data collection, emphasizing the importance of identifying relevant metrics aligned with business goals. Discuss various data sources, including user interactions, customer surveys, website analytics, and user feedback. Provide tips on setting up tracking mechanisms, implementing analytics tools, and ensuring data accuracy and reliability. Explore different data analysis techniques, such as quantitative analysis, qualitative analysis, and exploratory data analysis. Section 3: Leveraging user feedback. Highlight the value of user feedback in shaping product decisions. Discuss strategies for collecting user feedback, including surveys, interviews, usability testing, and customer support interactions. Share techniques for organizing and categorizing user feedback to extract meaningful insights. Explain how to prioritize and incorporate user feedback into the product development process. Section 4: Conducting A/B testing. Introduce A/B testing as a method for comparing different versions of a product or feature. Explain the process of designing and conducting A/B tests, including defining goals, creating test variations, and selecting the target audience. Discuss statistical significance and sample size considerations for reliable test results. Illustrate how to analyze A/B test data and interpret the findings to inform product decisions. Section 5: Validating product hypotheses with analytics. Highlight the role of analytics in validating product hypotheses. Discuss how to formulate clear hypotheses and identify key metrics for measurement. Explore techniques such as cohort analysis, funnel analysis, and user segmentation to gain deeper insights into user behavior. Showcase how analytics tools can provide visualizations and reports to monitor and track product performance. Section 6: Applying data-driven decision-making in practice. Share real-life case studies or examples where data-driven decision-making led to successful product outcomes. Provide practical tips and best practices for integrating data-driven approaches into the product management process. Emphasize the importance of iterative testing, continuous monitoring, and adapting product strategies based on data insights. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have completed this comprehensive tutorial on data-driven product decision-making. By embracing data-driven approaches and utilizing methodologies for collecting and analyzing data, leveraging user feedback, conducting A/B testing, and using analytics to validate product hypotheses, you can make informed decisions that drive product success. Remember to continually iterate and refine your product strategy based on data insights, and never underestimate the power of data in achieving better product outcomes. Good luck in your data-driven product management journey.